Hi, welcome to How to Repair. 18015 is a 2400 watt fan oven element. We're going to do a 360 rotational view to assist you in matching this up to your existing element with all the measurements. We will also be doing a test on a good element so you can compare it to your existing element.
18015 is a two-terminal fan oven element. This fits over 27 brands and 3,327 different models. The overall length of the element is 195 millimeters. This is from the bottom of the mounting plate to the internal side at the bottom of the element. The internal diameter of the element is 190 millimeter. This is what's needed to clear the fan blade. Now we'll just move around to the mounting plate. The mounting plate has two mounting screw holes and the terminal centers are 24 millimeter. The terminal length is 45 millimeter. The plate width is 22 millimeter and the plate length is 70 millimeter. The mounting hole centers are 55 millimeter. This element is a 2400 watt and you can see the alternative part numbers that are on the screen here. We have many videos at the website to assist you in replacing this element. And the next thing we'll do is an ohms test on a good element so you can compare it to your existing element. To test your element, turn your meter to continuity and ohms, or it may be two different settings on your meter. And first check you have continuity, which we have. But this also does ohms reading on the same setting. But taking the ohms reading, and as you can see we've got an ohms reading of 22.4 with the voltage that's stamped on the element plate. Putting these two numbers into the Ohm's law calculator, you would be able to establish that this is a good element and has a value of approximately 2400 watts. Now if your element is tripping the electricity supply, meaning that the electricity is passing through the element on the filament, but the insulation at some point is breaking down and it is tracking to the outer casing, which means it would trip the electricity supply. The only way of testing this correctly is with an insulation tester, sometimes known as a mega, but I do not expect you to own this instrument.
Elements only become faulty for two reasons. The first reason is an element may have earth leakage, meaning that you are tripping the RCD supply in the house when you turn the cooker on. The second reason is an element may go open circuit, meaning it's no longer able to produce heat. Now, if your element goes on a regular basis, every 6 months or so, you want to make sure that you have checked the fan motor as well. Because if the fan motor is not running at the correct speed, the element might get too hot in one location and cause it to burn out. If you're still having trouble finding the correct element for your cooker or oven, enter the brand and the model number into the search facility at the website. If that doesn't work, go to the Contact Us page at the website, fill out your brand, model and serial number, and the type of part you're looking for, or the fault you have that you need assistance with. Thanks very much indeed for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.